At Greater Zion, we believe that every adventure should leave a positive mark. In every sunrise, every moment here in Greater Zion connects us with something bigger, to the land, to the people, to the responsibility of taking care of it. That is why we partner with Coalatree, an outdoor brand that shares our values of sustainability, respect for nature, and give back. With Coalatree, we create a limited edition product line. With every purchase, you're not just getting ready for adventure. You are directly supporting Zion Forever project.
We help preserve and protect Zion National Park, and our mission is exceedingly simple. It's to improve the quality of life in the communities we serve by providing exceptional experiences on public lands. We really depend on good corporate philanthropy. That means the power of giving back, and Coalatree and our partnership with Greater Zion exemplifies, again, that we all must work together to preserve and protect these incredible national lands for generations to come. So buying an amazing product from Coalatree that is quality and beautiful also helps to sustain the mission of the Park Service as well as Zion National Park. So we encourage you to support this partnership. Go out and buy a product that supports something bigger than each one of us. That purchase with purpose is something that benefits us all. So we encourage folks to get out there and support.
When you choose these products, you're choosing to be part of something bigger, an adventure that gives back. This partnership reflects what Greater Zion is all about: collaboration, community, and protect this incredible place we get to call home.